Walmart, unlike many retailers in the U.S., has not only been surviving but also thriving during the pandemic. What should we expect from today's numbers? We obviously know revenues have been strong, but is this going to translate all the way down to margins?
It will translate to margin, and it's especially good that it translates to profitable sales and margin growth, because Walmart's invested a record amount of money in inventory, in owning its own warehouses, owning its own trucking fleets, and record amount of money in people and staffing to stock the shelves. So Walmart's gaining share, and Walmart's in the pre-open is up $2 after setting a 52-week high yesterday.
You mentioned an interesting point in your latest research that Walmart pays all its invoices in time and in full in 23 days. During this time when so many smaller retailers have been struggling to pay the bills, what does this mean for Walmart in terms of taking market share and also in terms of the overall picture for how they've been doing? How has this aided them?
It aids Walmart the most in growth in apparel and accessories, general merchandise, hard goods defined as consumer electronics, and sporting goods, as well as soft goods. So Walmart, to your point, paying in 23 to 30 days net, where the department stores that we're paying 30 days net are paying 60 to 90 days if they're paying at all, if they're paying in full. So there's a massive shift for the brand suppliers to support Walmart in power shopping centers and away from the retailers who are paying slow to not in full at the shopping malls.
Burt, I don't know how much you're focused on the international strategy, but obviously here in the UK, we're quite interested to know what happens to the Asda stake. And obviously Walmart has been looking forensically at markets like India and China. Do you see outside of the United States any significant uptick in contribution from its international businesses?
Jeff, yes. Full disclosure, I and our firm did all the due diligence on Whole Foods in the UK as well as North America, and studied Asda quite extensively when Asda was caught in the crossfire in England and Ireland between Lidl on one side and Aldi on the other side. So Walmart will continue to gain in mass mart, especially in the gold mining regions, as you referenced in the prior segment. India, the Flipkart acquisition is going well, will continue to go well. And as you referenced, under Doug McMillon, who the CEO of Walmart, who had been the prior president of Walmart International, Walmart will start to catch Carrefour and IGA hypermarché chains in the People's Republic of China and really get Asia on firm footing for the first time in nearly 25 years.